Welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video, I will discuss about the syllabus for half-yearly exam for computer science. For class 9, you will need chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and chapter 11. And chapter 11 is only for practical. Means there you will get some practical work of MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. And from each chapter some topics are removed or reduced only for examination, but you have to learn this because these are related to other chapters, so you have to learn all the topics from the chapter, but only for examination you don't have to learn the answers. For class 9, from chapter 1 these topics are removed. You can see on the screen. From chapter 1, evaluation of computers, generation of computers, hardware and software, performance measurement, this part are removed. And chapter 2, OS directory structure. So if I am going to read all the topics, it will take much time, so I am not going to read. You can take screenshot of the screen, and like this way you can exclude from your syllabus. Means you don't have to learn these topics for examination. And for class 9 computer science, for practical you see MS Word, how to create biodata, how to create brochure, how to make a spreadsheet, how to make a bill or mark sheet in a spreadsheet, how to create presentation. This part is required for practical examination. For class 10 computer science, you will need from chapter 1 to 5, chapter 1 introduction to internet, or 1 to 6, 1 introduction to internet, 2 internet services, 3 inserting images and creating tables in HTML, 4 links and frames in HTML5, 5 XML, 6 introduction to JavaScript. And for practical you will have to know how to create an XML document or HTML document, and how to insert images in there, and how to create table in HTML page. And from JavaScript you will need only if and else statement and conditional statement, as switch is already removed, so switch statement is not required. And from class 10 computer science book also some part are reduced for exams, so you can exclude this from your syllabus. From chapter 1 these parts are removed, you can see on the screen. And from internet services this part are removed. From chapter 3 inserting images and creating tables, nothing is removed, so you have to read everything from this chapter. Chapter 4 creating frames and inserting audio video part is removed. From XML also, from validating an XML document, this part is removed. And from JavaScript only switch statement is removed. So this is the syllabus for class 9 and 10 computer science for half-yearly exam, SEBA board, not for CBSE. And if you want the PDF copy of this file, you can join me on my Telegram channel, It's Rafiq, or you can also follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.